In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Priceline in 2025. If you want to view travel prices in a different currency while browsing Priceline, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Changing the currency can make it easier to compare prices, especially if you're booking from another country or just prefer to see everything in your local currency. To get started, open your browser and go to Priceline.com. Once the site loads, you can sign in to your account if you want to, but this part is optional. You do not always need to be signed in just to change the currency display. However, if you already have an account and plan to book something, logging in can help keep your preferences and trip details in one place. After that, begin a search for the type of travel you need. You can search for a hotel, a flight, or a rental car. This step is helpful because the pricing tools and display options are easier to review once you're actively browsing travel results. Enter your destination or trip details and let the results page load. Now look near the top of the page for the currency selector. This is the setting that controls how prices are displayed across the site. Depending on your screen size or device, it may appear slightly differently, but it is usually located in a visible area near the top navigation section. Once you find it, click the currency drop-down menu. A list of available currencies should appear. From there, choose the currency you want to use, such as US dollars, euros, British pounds, Canadian dollars, or another supported option. Select the one that matches your preference. After you make your selection, Priceline should automatically update the prices shown on the page. You normally won't need to refresh the site manually. Just give it a second and the pricing should switch to the new currency format. This makes it much easier to understand the cost of your hotel, flight, or rental car at a glance. As a quick tip, remember that the displayed currency helps you view prices more comfortably, but the final charge may still depend on your payment method, bank conversion rate, or booking terms. So if you're making a reservation, it's always a good idea to review the final checkout details carefully. And that's it. That's how to change currency on Priceline in 2025.